Japan is facing a terrifying possibility, a massive earthquake that could strike at any moment. Scientists are warning about the Nankai Trough, a tectonic time bomb just off Japan's Pacific coast. If it ruptures, it could unleash a megaquake and trigger tsunamis up to 30 meters high. Government estimates say such a disaster could kill over 300,000 people and devastate entire coastal regions. Towns like Shizuoka and Kochi are directly in the path of destruction. Japan is now on high alert, accelerating its disaster readiness plans. The question is no longer if, but when.